Hi guys, we are so happy to welcome you to our channel. Today we will talk about the TikTok application and how to find the liked post on your TikTok account. So if this topic is interesting, let's check our guide to the very end. So let's open the TikTok application, guys. Definitely, it's so simple to find the liked videos on your account. So right now we are on the For You page and we need to go to the profile page. Later, as you can check, we have here the special bar with the 4 icons, and we need to tap on the last one with the likes. And here you can check all of the liked videos on your account. Also, you can click on it and go to this video. Let's unlike it and let's check the result. As you can check, this video was disappeared on the liked page. So I hope that this short tutorial was short but useful, and you, I'm sure, can give likes to this video and subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tricks about the TikTok application and other programs. So goodbye guys, good luck!